Forgotten username recovery failed on Chip fix. If you've been struggling to recover your username on Chip and the process keeps failing, here's the surprising truth: Chip does actually use usernames to log you in. That's right, your entire login is connected to your registered email address or mobile number. Once you know this, the fix becomes quick and easy. When the recovery fails, it usually means the system can't find the email or phone number you're entering. Start by reopening the Chip app or going to their official login page. Tap Login and enter the email you used when signing up. Chip will immediately send you a magic link, a one-time email that logs you in securely with a single tap. If that link never arrives, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, these automated emails get filtered out by mistake. If it's still missing, try a different email you might have used before. Searching your inbox for Chip can help you locate old registration messages and confirm your correct login email. If you've changed your email address or lost access to your old one, you'll need to reach out to Chip's customer support team. Provide identifying details like your full name, phone number, and information about your linked bank account. Once they confirm your identity, they'll help restore your account access. Most people assume they've forgotten a username, but the truth is simpler. Chip just doesn't use them. It's all based on verified contact details. So if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't worry. There's no username to remember. All you need is your registered email, and you'll be back managing your savings in no time.